Hi guys, welcome back to Charlie Bird's Drawing Show. I haven't seen you in a long time, and I'm going to draw a minion, and it is going to be Bob. So let's get started. So do his goggle here, like the silver bit, then do his other bit, then do a circle in here, and another circle in here, and do his little pimple there, and do the outside of the pimple and color it in black, and the other one black. Then you do the outside of the color as when you're coloring it, it's green and blue. So you do one strip and color it in. Then you do another strip and color it in. Then you do his little mouth because he hasn't seen you before. Then you do his head. Do him waving to you. Hi. And do his glove. And do his hand and the one side of the overall and the other side of the overall. Do his pocket, but don't do it cheap, because this is from the Minion movie. Do his hand and do his glove and color it in. Then you do the other side of the overall, and do some lines. On the pocket, and then do the legs. Now let's color him in. So yellow for the minion, because every single minion is yellow, because I love bananas. Banana. I love bananas. I'm a minion. I love bananas. I love bananas. I love bananas. I love the bananas. I love those bananas. I love those bananas. I love the 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 bananas. Oh yeah, I love the bananas. Bananas. Ooh, 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 I love the bananas. Oh yeah, because I'm a minion. Yeah, I'm a minion. Now you need blue. So I'll just pick this one. Then smooth it out because it's going to be like a light blue one. Like light blue overalls. I don't know why they have overalls. I think it looks better with them with overalls. Yeah. So you do that side, yeah. You do this side. Now you need to color in the eyes. And color in the goggles. Then I've forgotten to do something. I need to do the pockets on the sides. Now let's write his name. B-O-B-O.
And I drew this as well. Despicable. Bye. Subscribe.